Good morning to all. My name is Himanshu Srivastava. Today we'll read the story Glimpses of India Part 2 Kurg by Lokesh Abroad. This video includes line-wise explanation of the story and summary. The link for the notes of this chapter is in the description box. So let's start the chapter. Kurg. What is Kurg? Kurg is a coffee country famous for its rainforests and spices. The lesson gives us a beautiful insight of the smallest district of Karnataka and its people. The place has an amazing weather throughout the year with enough rain during the monsoon season. The people of Kurg are known to be one of the bravest. Coffee is the main crop grown in this region. A variety of animals can be found here, while the place is surrounded by beautiful Brahmagiri hills, islands, and Tibetan settlements. Means this place is found in India. Midway between Mysore and the coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men, beautiful women, and wild creatures. Martial men. Kurg, a place so beautiful that it seems like a piece of heaven, has drifted away from the God's kingdom and has settled on the earth. It is somewhere between Mysore and Mangalore. Means it is found between Mysore and Mangalore. It is an area with low hills of unequal height. The men are brave warrior, the women of Kurg are pretty. The place has a variety of wild animals too. Kurg or Kodagu. The smallest district of Karnataka is home to evergreen rainforests, spices, and coffee plantations. Evergreen rainforests cover 30% of this district during the monsoons. It pours enough to keep many visitors away. The season of joy commences from September and continues till March. Means this is the time when tourists go and enjoy. The weather is perfect with some showers thrown in for good measure. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Coffee estates and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies in prime corners. Canopies means roof-like covering made of trees. Invigorating means strong. Here, also known as Kodagu, it is one of the smallest districts of Karnataka. 30% of the area of Kurg is covered with evergreen rainforest and the place receives rain for most part of the year, especially during the monsoon season. The period from September to March is ideal for visiting Kurg. The weather is pleasant and there is some rain which makes it worthwhile. The air is filled with the strong fragrance of coffee due to the abundant coffee plantations. Means here lot of coffee plantations is happening. The fiercely independent people of Kurg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. These people married amongst the locals, and their culture is apparent in the martial tradition, marriage, and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The theory of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt worn by the Kodavus. Known as Kufia, it resembles the Kufia worn by the Arabs and Kurds. The people of Kurg are believed to be of Greek or Arabic background and are generally ferocious. This theory came into being because of their dressing style. They are generally seen wearing long and black coat with embroidered waist belt known as kupia. Kupia is similar to the kufia worn by Arabs and Kurds. It is also remarked that some people of Alexander's army could not return to their homeland and so settled here while returning from the south. The people of Kurg marry each other and their cultures as well as rituals are very different from the ones followed by Hindus. Means Their rituals and cultures are different from the ones that is followed in Hindus. Kurgi homes have a tradition of hospitality, and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their sons and fathers. The Kurg regiment is one of the most decorated in the Indian army, and the first chief of Indian army, General Karyappa, he was also a Kurgi. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. Means the people of Kurg are very welcoming and warm in nature. They are always ready to entertain with stories of their ancestors. They are known to be independent, ferocious, and brave, which is evident from the fact that the Kurg regiment in the Indian Army has received the maximum number of awards for bravery. The first chief of the Indian Army, named General Karyappa, he was also belonging to Kurg. Also, these are the only people permitted to carry firearms, means Kurgi people, unlike others who need a license, means without license they are permitted to carry firearms. This shows that Kurgis are reliable too, means they are reliable also. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, abound in these waters. Kingfishers dive for their catch, while squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clear water. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scubbed in the river by their mahavats, means these are the animals that are found in Kurg. The evergreen forest and the hills of Kurg provide water to river Kaveri, a major river in South India. A large freshwater fish called mahasir is found in these waters and is looked for by the birds. Squirrels and langurs play in these waters by throwing half eaten fruits, whereas elephants enjoy bathing in it. The most laid back individuals become converts to the life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain biking. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers. Here, laid back means relaxed, rafting means traveling in river in a raft, canoeing means traveling in a canoe, rappelling going through a cliff, trails means path. The tourists who visit Kurg to relax in the natural beauty of the place also get attracted towards the various adventure sports activities available like river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing, and mountain climbing. The hills have various paths formed by footsteps of walkers who trek there. Birds, bees, and butterflies are there to give you company. Macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lorries keep a watchful eye from the tree canopy. I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild animals. Wild elephants means while taking a walk in their region, one may find a variety of animals around them. Birds, bees, and butterflies fly around you while squirrels and langurs keep an eye on you from the trees. Wild elephants can also be found in Kurg. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills brings you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Kurg. A walk across the rope bridges leads to the 64 acres island of Nisarga Dham, running into Buddhist monks from India's largest Tibetan settlement at nearby by Lakupe is a bonus. The monks in red, ochre, and yellow robes are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. Right here in Kurg. Panoramic view means a view of wide area of land. To have an overlook at the beautiful city of Kurg, one must climb up to the Brahmagiri hills. Kurg is surrounded by astounding places of beauty like the island of Nisargdham and by Lakupe, which is India's largest Tibetan settlement. Monks wearing red, orange, and yellow colored garments can also be found in the district of Kurg, where their lifestyle is a fascinating view for the travelers. A mixture of diverse culture can be seen here, which represents the heart and soul of India. Means variety of animals, variety of enjoyment for the tourist, different kind of cultures, the mixture of culture and These things representing the heart and soul of our country. Now, the summary. The writer describes the hill station of Kurg located in the western Ghat in the state of Karnataka. It is located midway between Bangalore and Mangalore. The suitable time to visit Kurg is from September to March. The place is famous for coffee plantations and spices. There are abundant rainforests which cover 30% of the area. The Kurgi men are brave warriors who are permitted to keep firearms without a license due to their trustworthiness. The women of Kurg are pretty. Kurg is also known as Kodavu, and the Kodavus, though, are Hindus by religion but their customs different from those of mainstream Hindus. They marry within their community. Kodavus are said to be of Greek or Arabic descent. Some soldiers of Alexander's army settled there. Also, the ethnic dress of the Kodavus, Kopia, is similar to the Arab garment Kofia. It is said that maybe their ancestors were Arabs or Kurds. The river Kaveri originates from Kurg. The fish named Mahasir is found in the river. Many animals and birds like kingfisher, langur, squirrels, elephants can be spotted along the river. Tourists relax in the serene atmosphere and also enjoy adventure sports like rafting, canoeing, rappelling, mountain biking, rock climbing, and trekking. While trekking on the nature trails, animals like macaques, Malabar squirrels, langurs, and slender lories can be spotted on the trees. The major tourist attractions are Brahmagiri Hills, Nisagradham Island, and Bailakupe Tibetan settlement. Kurg gives visitors a feel of India's diverse cultures. So, this is the story, and I hope this will help you out to understand. Thank you.